like to call Ashur Asif. Now I would like to call Ashur Asif for Nath.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students and my dear all my friends and teachers. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asha Asif, and I'm going to recite. I'm reciting Anat. مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم مولاي يا صلي على كل ذو الكونين وثقل محمد سيد الكونين وثقلين والفريقين من عرب ومن عجم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته لكل حول من الأعوال مفتعم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك الخلق كلهم يا ربي في المصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى واسع الكرم مولاي صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم صل وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كلهم. Thank you.
Jazakallah. Now I would like to call Jannat Masood for Salam.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jared Masood. Now I would like to recite Salam. Mustafa Jane Rahmat pe लाखों सलाम शमाए बज़ में हिदायत पे लाखों सलाम हम गरीबों के आका पे बेहद दरूद हम गरीबों के आका पे बेहद दरूद हम फकीरों की सरवत पे लाखों सलाम मुस्तफा जाने रहमत पे लाखों सलाम जिनके तलवों के बोझ से लिए अर्श ने जिनके तलवों के बोझ से लिए अर्श ने उनके कदमों की बरकत पे लाखों सलाम, मुस्तफा जाने रहमत पे लाखों सलाम। हम यहाँ से पढ़े वो मदीने सुने, हम यहाँ से पढ़े वो मदीने सुने। उनकी आला समात पे लाखों सलाम, मुस्तफा जाने रहमत पे लाखों सलाम। सैयदा ज़हरा तैयबा तहरा, सैयदा ज़हरा तैयबा तहरा, जाने अहमद की राहत पे लाखों सलाम, मुस्तफा जाने रहमत पे लाखों सलाम। शमाए बज़ में हिदायत पे लाखों सलाम। Thank you.
Jazakallah. Now, I would like to call Hamza Shabab for speech on mental health.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamza Shabab from grade 5 and I'm gonna speak on mental health. What is mental health? Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizing his or her own ability can cope with the normal stress of life. Why is mental health important? It helps determine how we handle stress. It is important at every stage of life from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. How can we prevent mental health? Number 1, value yourself. Treat yourself with kindness. Number 2, take care of your body. Number 3, surround yourself with good people. Number 4, learn how to deal with stress. Number 5, set realistic goals. Thank you.
Good, Hamza. Now, I would like to call Muhammad Zayan for speech on the causes of war.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Zayan and I am from year 5. Today I am going to tell some causes of the War of Independence. The War of Independence was fought in 1857 and it was fought against the British. Cause number 1. English had become a national language. People of the subcontinent became jobless due to it. Cause number 2. Good jobs were only given to the British. Cause number 3. The British tried to take power from Bahadur Shah Zafar. Cause number 4. When droughts were destroying the crops, the British were still demanding taxes. The last and most important cause is that the British wanted to increase their power and network over the subcontinent. Thank you.
Good, Zayan. Now, I would like to call Dua Amir for speech on benefits of exercise.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dua Amir from grade 5. My speech topic is benefits of exercise. What are the health benefits of exercise? Number 1, help you control your weight. Number 2, reduce your risk of heart disease. Number 3, help your body manage blood sugar and insulin levels. Number 4, improve your mental health and mood. Number 5, help keep you thinking, learning, and judgment skills sharp as your age. Thank you.
Good, Dua. Now, I would like to call Isa Khurram for speech on facts of space.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Isa Khurram and I am gonna tell you 15 facts about space. Number 1, Space is completely silent. Number 2, the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 Celsius. Number 3, a full NASA suit costs $12 million. Number 4, the sun mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. Number 5, 1 million Earths can fit in the sun. Number 6, there are more trees on Earth than the stars in Milky Way. Number 7, the sun on Mars appear blue. Number 8, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on Earth. Number 9, one day on Venus is longer than 1 year. Number 10, there is a planet made of diamonds. Number 11, Venus looked just like Earth 2 billion years ago. Number 12, you can fit 50 moons on Earth. Number 13, the galaxy in which our sun goes round every 200 million years. Number 14, the closest black hole from Earth is 150 light years away. Number 15, Shuki is the biggest star. Thank you.
Good, Isa. Now I would like to call Muhammad Samal for Hadith.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Samuel. I am from grade 5. छोटों से शफकत और बड़ों का अदब। नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, वो शख्स हम में से नहीं जो हमारे छोटों के साथ शफकत का मामला ना करे और हमारे बड़ों की इज्जत व तकरीम ना करे और नेकी का हुक्म ना दे और बुराई से ना रोके। थैंक यू।
Good, Samal. Now I would like to call Husnain Abbas for golden words.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hasnan Baz. I am from grade 5. Golden words. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. Thank you.
Good, Husnain. Okay, students, please all of you stand up for national anthem. Okay, students, now all of you, please join your classes. Allah Hafiz.